Visit the website www.tin-nsdl.com. Under Quick Links, click on Online PAN Services. Click on Paperless PAN Application. On selecting desired option, you will see a form where you need to register and generate a token. This step acts as a prerequisite for all types of PAN applications. Here, for application type, select option Request for changes or correction in PAN data from the drop-down. Select appropriate category and title from the drop-down list. Enter last name or surname, enter first name, and enter middle name. Do watch our guidelines regarding name field. Select date of birth from drop-down or enter details. Enter the email ID and mobile number. Select between yes or no for whether citizen of India. Enter the existing PAN number and check the consent checkbox. By doing so, you agree that data submitted by you will be used for the purpose of PAN application. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Submit. On successful registration, token number will be generated. Same will be sent at the email ID of the applicant. Click on Continue with PAN application. Here, select Mode of application as Submit digitally through e-KYC and e-Sign paperless option, which is selected by default. Similarly, select between yes or no for whether physical PAN card is required. Here, remember that if you select no, then you will receive only digitally signed e-PAN at the email ID given in your application. Your existing PAN number will be automatically captured from previous screen. Enter last 4 digits of the Aadhaar carefully. If you are okay with the photograph in Aadhaar to be printed on the PAN card, then select yes. If you select no, then a message to select other modes will appear. To make correction or change in existing data, do not forget to tick on check boxes beside required field. Data captured on the registration page before generation of token will be auto-populated. Select the gender from the drop-down list. Under Parent Details section, provide father's name. Here, kindly note that father's name is mandatory and mother's name is optional. Please make sure that your father's name or mother's name is correctly entered. Under Contact Details, residential address will be captured automatically from Aadhaar. Under Telephone Number and Email ID Details, select Country Code from the drop-down. Enter area or STD code. Telephone and email ID fields will be auto-filled. Inadvertently, if other permanent account numbers are allotted to you, please mention them, else click Next. After this, you will be navigated to Document Details section. Proof of identity, proof of address, proof of date of birth will be selected automatically. For proof of PAN, select Copy of PAN from drop-down. For declaration, select himself or herself from drop-down. Enter number of documents enclosed, enter the place and click Submit. On successful submission of details, you will be navigated to Confirmation screen. On the confirmation screen, you will be required to enter first 8 digits of Aadhaar and confirm details. For editing, select Edit button and you will be redirected to application pages for correcting details. Else, click Next and you will be redirected to Payment Gateway for making payment of application fees using various online payment options. On successful payment, you will be navigated to Authentication portal. Click on Consent checkbox for providing consent for using Aadhaar details for the purpose of PAN application. Then proceed for e-KYC authentication. On successful authentication, you will be navigated to e-sign portal for digital signing of application. You will be required to re-enter same Aadhaar and provide consent for e-signing PAN application. Proceed for OTP authentication. On successful authentication, application will be digitally signed and digitally signed PDF will be displayed online. So, apply for PAN change request now from Protean online portal.